Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can make repost public on TikTok. It's pretty simple. First you want to click on profile at the bottom right of your screen and click on the three line at the top right and click on versus settings and privacy at the bottom. And over here you want to choose the second option, privacy. Now once you come in the privacy section, scroll all the way down and try to find the option called repost. So if repost feature is not available in the country, then you're not going to be able to find the repost option. But if repost is available, you're going to see it over here. In my country, it's not available. That's why I'm not able to see it. But doesn't matter. If you see the repost option, just click on repost. And once you click on repost, make sure it's on followers. Once you click on followers, everybody who follows you should be able to see your repost. All right. So that is basically what you meant by making your repost public. So that's how you guys can make your repost public. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. And as I said, if you don't see it over here, that basically means it's not available to your country. So in my case also it's not available. But once it's available, I have to do the same step in order to make it public.